In today's rapidly transforming global manufacturing landscape, enterprises face a common challenge: mountains of data that are hard to utilize, complex processes that are difficult to synchronize, and most critically, invaluable field experience that vanishes when personnel leave. From design and simulation to mold trials and mass production, critical information is often scattered across different silos. This slows down decision-making, drives up costs, and makes successful experience nearly impossible to repeat. Moldex3D iSLM is the intelligent data platform built to break through these barriers. It automatically integrates the entire life cycle of mold design and injection molding, transforming raw information into powerful corporate digital assets. Whether for individual engineers or cross-functional teams, iSLM accelerates information exchange, ensuring every decision is backed by solid data. It is more than a database. It is an AI-driven development partner. Before design begins, Insight Discovery visualizes historical data to generate early references, helping you foresee risks and build team consensus. Once in the design phase, Design Discovery automatically compares similar cases to recommend optimal gate locations and process settings. iSLM precisely leverages historical success to ensure engineers start on the right path. It even supports direct interaction through AI chat using natural language. Leave tedious file synchronization to Project Sync and handle multiple simulations with a single click through Auto Launch. This allows you to focus your time on what truly matters: innovation and judgment. Here, data becomes intuitive charts. Root causes are pinpointed at a glance. By connecting with on-site machinery, iSLM creates a complete closed loop, from design and simulation to real-world feedback. Every improvement is fully recorded, ensuring consistent quality and stable processes. Security is our core promise. Through private cloud infrastructure and rigorous controls, we ensure your intellectual property always stays safely within your enterprise. In a competitive market, those who master data master the advantage. Moldex3D iSLM, transforming your data into successful decisions.